actually a suspense drama, but it's also a very romantic love story.
You guys are very bad backup singers. I did all this.
Not dependable at all.
It's okay.
But it's okay. It's in their heart. It's deep feelings. It takes time to come out.
They're here at least.
Yeah,
It's
they're
good.
here at least. Maybe they're overwhelmed. Okay, so we've had the song. So the date is pakka, Body Shop. The date is on.
The date is on.
So the date is on, and you seem I've always seen you at Body Shop events. Really excited, as bubbly as ever. This event especially, what's so exciting about this particular event?
Well, their store it's a new store. We're very excited about that. And obviously with the introduction of Red Musk perfume and Valentine's Day around the corner, I think I'm very excited because I know the products there are fantastic for Valentine's Day gifts and great products to wear as well on your date. So I'm just excited for everyone else. Yeah.
So new store, and you're excited for your fans.
I'm very excited.
Because there's a new place to shop.
New place
One
to
more
shop,
place.
New products to shop as well. So you can't be complaining.
Definitely not. Rather, you can be only as excited as you see Jacqueline today. All smiling, happy, and so very bubbly and charming as always.
मेरे पास एक प्लान नहीं है क्योंकि मतलब रोमांटिक प्लान नहीं है क्योंकि मैं रॉय का प्रीमियर के लिए जा रही हूँ और आई थिंक एक्चुअली दैट विल प्रोबब्ली द बेस्ट वे आई कैन सेलिब्रेट वैलेंटाइंस डे।
सेम टाइम पे रॉय भी रिलीज हो रही है वैलेंटाइन डे कुछ कहना चाहेंगे लोगों को कि वैलेंटाइन की तरह क्या कुछ देखने को मिलेगा हमें?
I'm very excited that Roy is releasing on Valentine's Day because, Roy is actually a suspense drama, but it's also a very romantic love story. So I think it would be the perfect watch, to go see on Valentine's Day. Actually, no, I think you will be seeing Ranveer in a couple of promotions, but I'm not sure about the details.
Jacqueline, what's your favorite Valentine perfume?
My favorite Valentine's Day perfume would be Red Musk from Body Shop.
जैकलीन जब आपको अप्रोच किया गया
Super.
यही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ।
Jacqueline, आप
A crazy lover. A crazy lover. No, I have not experienced a crazy lover.
जैकलीन जब आपको
with the brand. What is one thing between Jacqueline and Body Shop formula?
I think, since I was a kid, I've been using Body Shop. And, for me, it has always been about being natural and being organic and being pure. And that's something I've always tried to achieve. And I know Body Shop has those exact same ideals, which is why when I, was signed on as brand ambassador, I was extremely happy because, we're just on the same wavelength and we have the same values and qualities and ideas towards life. So, I think like the representation is ideal.
Jacqueline, आपने कहा था कि इनके बाद आपकी लाइफ बहुत चेंज हो गया, बहुत सारे अच्छे उसमें से एक समझ एक बार उनकी फिल्म के लिए आपने स्क्रीन टेस्ट किया कि सच है इस बात का?
नहीं, स्क्रीन टेस्ट नहीं किया।
नहीं किया?
नहीं।
जैकलीन जब आपको इस ब्रांड के लिए अप्रोच किया गया तो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन आपका क्या था?
That was my first reaction.
What's your favorite Body Shop product?
Well, you know what? I think right now for Valentine's Day it will be the Red Musk because it's, like I said, a very sweet and sensuous kind of perfume for Valentine's Day, which is required. But I have a bunch of favorites. It's very difficult to choose. I love the honey range. I love the coconut range. I love the vanilla range. And every time there's a new season, a new product does come out that matches that season, that matches the Mausam. So it's great that you can always like just have fun.
Any tips for people who get
Often नहीं किया.
Okay, guys, Jacqueline, any tips for the girls and boys this Valentine's Day?
Any tips I would say for the girls, pamper yourself, give yourself a nice relaxing spa and day. And honestly, at home pampering and at home spas are the best. And even with Body Shop, we have like the most amazing at home products that you could use. It feels good. It's on your own time. And for the boys, I would say do the same thing. Smell good.
Like have some ring in your ring. What is it? And क्या कुछ है ये?
It's 2 hands joined together.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your favorite?
Yes, exactly. Perfect lover, a good soul.
All right. Thank you.